Last day na natin with the Interceptor 650. Again, maraming salamat kay Sir Jerry sa pagpapahiram ng bike for about a week. Ang saya lagi ng experience sa paggamit ng motor na to araw-araw. Masasabi ko lang is that it's a great all-round motorcycle for everyday use. It's everything that you would want in a bike. Good looks, great performance from the 650 engine, and an affordable price tag. Sadly, kailangan na nating ibalik tong motor na to kasi nabenta na siya. Tara, samahan nyo akong ihatid tong Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 sa kanyang bagong owner. Sino kaya to?
Sold.
Kanina ba natin nabenta to?
Ayun.
Ayun o. Sino kaya yung bagong owner ng motor na yun? Ayan, pakilala ka. Congratulations, man. Ayun, tapos na tayo sa time natin with the Interceptor 650. Ang kanyang bagong owner ay si Jeff. So you can follow him at the J. Eto na, congratulations, Jeff.